Brahmacharya is often reduced to sexual abstinence, but the word itself points wider and higher. Brahm means the vast, the sacred, reality as a whole. And Charya means to move, to live. Literally, moving in Brahman, living in a way that channels your life force toward what is deepest and truest. It's not about squeezing a spring until it snaps. It's about aiming the river so it irrigates a fertile field rather than flooding a village. A story can make this clear. In Greek myth, sailors passing the sirens were lured to wreckage by irresistible song. One strategy was repression. Plug ears with wax. Lash the hero to the mast. Grit your teeth until the danger passes. But on Jason's ship, the musician Orpheus chose another way. He played a song more beautiful than the sirens, and the spell lost its force. That's Brahmacharya in spirit. Not the violence of denial, but redirected attention. A higher music that makes the lower pull fade. To practice this, think of 4 pillars. Number 1, manas, means thought. Where attention goes, energy flows. Notice what you rehearse mentally, fantasy, resentment, self-doubt, and swap in a truer aim. Gratitude, a line of scripture, a creative problem to solve. This is Orpheus's melody in the mind. Number 2, vak, means speech, words leak or gather power. Gossip, bragging, and sarcasm drain ojas, the vitality. Truthful, kind, concise speech focuses it. Before you speak, ask, will these words build what I value? Number 3, kriya, means action. Impulses are waves. You're the ocean. Design small, repeatable acts, exercise, study, service, art that burn restlessness into strength. It's easier to ride a wave when you're already swimming. Number 4, ashraya, means environment. Inputs shape urges. Curate your feeds, rooms, friends, and rhythms. Fewer triggers, more beauty. If you keep walking past the sirens, carry your instrument, books, mentors, nature, practice. Joyful restraint versus shame. Restraint is joyful when it protects what you love. A musician happily says no to late-night chaos before a concert. A parent gladly sacrifices comfort for a child. A seeker reserves attention for truth. Shame, by contrast, narrows the heart. I am wrong for having a body or desire. Tantric and yogic lineages don't ask you to hate your energy. They ask you to befriend it, refine it, and aim it. Healthy boundaries are a yes to your highest aim, not a grim no to life. Brahmacharya is the art of stewarding your life force, thought, speech, action, and environment, so your days line up with what you truly worship. Not earwax and ropes, but better music. When the inner song is strong, the sirens go quiet.